This is Software 5 Email Reporting.
These Fire panels come with built-in email capabilities. They will automatically send status emails, being alarms, troubles, and supervisories, as well as reports that can be determined on a schedule. This tab, Email Reporting tab, is where we can set some of that up and designate who gets that information. So you have up to 20 spots to enter an email address under the email column. So for example, I can put my email address in here. And if I check this first box, what that means is that the panel is now going to respond to me if I send it an email and ask for information. And that information can be history reports, detector sensitivity reports, the configuration file, as well as unsubscribing and subscribing to the emails. If this box is not checked and I send an email from this account, my Potter Signal account, to the fire alarm panel will not respond to me. So I'm going to keep that checked. The next three columns, alarms, troubles, and supervisories, these are status events. If I have these checked, then the fire alarm panel will send emails to my Potter Signal account if there's an alarm, if there's a trouble signal, or if there's a supervisory condition. I don't have to have all of them. I can have just alarms or just troubles. You can customize it for each email address. The next column is test. If I have this selected, it will send a test email to me once a day, every 24 hours, and the time that this email is sent is set under General Options under Auto Test Time. The default was 2 a.m., so I would get these at 2 a.m. unless I change that. The last two columns are for reports on a schedule. If I have these columns checked, I will get a history report and a detector sensitivity report, and these two reports will come to me based on the schedule that I have up in this top part of the screen. So I can get them once a week, say Monday at 8 a.m. I could get them every day of the week if I wanted to at 8 a.m. Or if I wanted, I could get them once a month by unchecking these boxes and going to monthly and selecting a day of the month. If I want it on the last day of the month, I can select the 31st, and if there are not 31 days in the month, it will send it to me on the last day of the month. You can pick any number here, say you want it on the first of the month. So this schedule relates to these two columns for history and status reports, and again you can have up to 20 email addresses in this column. For more information on how the email works, examples of what the emails look like, please refer to the PCOM Connections recorded module that you can find on our website.
The next video in the software series is Email Reminders. For more information on programming, please refer to the installation manual and find other resources on our website at www.pottersignal.com.